Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons. We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant Q with the vowels. But first, let's remember the combination of the consonant C and the 5 vowels.
It will make it easier to understand the correct sound and spelling of the consonant Q with the vowels. Listen and then repeat the consonant C in Spanish. Ready? Se. Again. Se. Great job! Now let's combine the consonant C with the vowels. Repeat after me. Ka. Se. Si. Ko. Ku. Great job!
As you were able to hear, there are 2 different sounds. Were you able to identify them?
Ka, ko, y ku start with the sound K. And as you noticed, we didn't say que or ki. We said se and si, which have the S sound. Now you are ready to learn the consonant Q. Listen and then repeat the consonant Q in Spanish. Ready? Q. Again. Q. Great job! Now let's combine the consonant Q with the vowels. The consonant Q needs the vowel U before the other vowels to make the sounds que and ki. However, we don't need to combine the letter Q with the rest of the vowels, since the consonant C is already making the ka, ko, and ku sounds.
And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share our videos. Repeat after me. Que. Ki. Great job! Now, let's read a sentence with a syllable que, like in queremos. Nosotros queremos ir al zoológico.
We want to go to the zoo.
Next, repeat after me. Ki. Again, ki. Very good. Let's read a sentence with a syllable ki, like in quién. ¿Quién fue a la playa?
Who went to the beach? That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading 1 video per week. Hasta la próxima!